Want to build a modern responsive login form using HTML and CSS? One that works perfectly on mobile, tablets, desktops? Then this tutorial is for you. What we are building. Today we'll build a modern login form with responsive design, Flexbox Layout, modern UI, hover effects, focus effects, smooth transitions, mobile-friendly structure. This is the kind of UI used in modern websites. First, create the main container. Container, display, flex. This helps center everything easily. Justify content, center, align items, center. Now the login form stays perfectly centered. Next, give the web page a full screen background. Height, 100 view height. This makes the layout cover the entire screen. Add a modern gradient background for a professional look. Now create the login card. Card width, 350 pixels. Padding, 40 pixels. Border radius, 20 pixels. This creates a modern rounded card. Background, RGBA. Backdrop filter, blur. Now we get a Glassmorphism effect. Next, add the login heading. Font size, 32 pixel. Font weight, bold. Text align, center. A clean heading improves UI design. Now style the input fields. Input, width, 100%. Padding, 15 pixel. Margin top, 15 pixel. Border radius, 10 pixel. This creates modern input boxes. Let's make the form interactive. Input focus, border color, cyan. When users click inside the input, the field becomes active. Modern websites use focus effects everywhere. Now create the login button. Button, width, 100%, padding, 15 pixel, background, purple, border radius, 10 pixels. This creates a modern call to action button. Now add hover effects. Button hover, background, cyan, transform, scale 1.03. The button smoothly changes color and slightly zooms. Now we add transitions. Without transitions, animations look rough. Transition, 0.3 seconds. Now everything becomes smooth. Now let's make the login form responsive. Media query, max width, 768 pixels. On smaller screens, reduce padding and width. This makes the UI mobile-friendly. Responsive design is important because users visit websites from phones, laptops, tablets. Without responsive CSS, layouts break. Modern UI concepts. This login form uses modern front-end concepts, Flexbox, Glassmorphism, hover effects, focus effects, responsive design, smooth transitions. These are used in professional websites everywhere. Real-world usage. You'll see login forms in portfolio websites, e-commerce websites, dashboards, SaaS apps, banking websites, social media platforms. Login pages are everywhere. Quick recap. Today we learned responsive login form, Flexbox centering, responsive media queries, focus effects, hover animations, Glassmorphism UI, mobile-first design. Now you can build modern login forms. Modern front-end development is all about combining small CSS concepts together. Keep practicing, keep building, and your UI skills will improve fast. Follow for more front-end development tutorials. Let's learn one front-end concept every single day. Like, share and subscribe more videos.